With the click of a mouse, you can earn cash on a whim when you search on Google. It's crazy to think that just by searching on Google and clicking on links, you can earn PayPal cash without any application, no videos, no fill-ups, no auditions. You can instantly get paid once you hit $5. So guys, if you are interested in earning money just by clicking links on Google, then you're in for a treat because I'll show you exactly that. This is a quick gig that you can do on your free time to earn some cash to maybe save up for a gift, maybe you want to pay for something you want, or you just want to have a couple of extra dollars in your pockets. So stay tuned until the very end so you won't miss out on anything important.
But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
So for step number 1, I want you to go to Google if you haven't already. If you didn't know or live under a rock, Google is the largest and most visited page in the whole World Wide Web. No page has ever been as popular as Google.com. And with that, I'm sure that you know that it is visited by hundreds of millions of people day by day. And I'm pretty sure that you too use Google on a daily basis. Now I want to show you something. When you try to search for, let's say we're searching for local cafes or any type of business in any place in the world, I will just be using local cafes as an example. And guys, don't worry, with this strategy, you would not need to contact any of these businesses. You don't have to sell anything at all. All you have to do is click on links. But before I tell you how, let me show you something real quick. Now, if you go to Google and let's say you want to go and eat at a cafe near you, and you go to Google and Google the local cafes in your area, and you see the first result is the one that you like, and you probably want to eat there now. But you decide to scroll down and look at other cafes, and you see here on the second pages and beyond, no one goes to those parts. So those cafes are on the 5th page, on the 10th, or even those on the 2nd page. They're usually not getting any clicks, or they're losing a lot of revenue because of that. Because when someone Googles local cafes, they just go ahead and pick the ones from the first page. And that is why large companies and businesses are willing to pay millions of dollars just to be on the first page of Google, so that they will attract more customers in the long run. It involves the use of a technique known as search engine optimization, also known as SEO. When users search for a term, search engines use SEO to determine how valuable a site is and how high to rank it. For example, if you search for a term, click on a website, and read it for a few minutes, Google will consider it a good site and rank it higher. Because Google is the most popular search engine, businesses are ready to pay a lot of money to be at the top of the results.
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video.
Now what we need to do next is let's go on to the second step. I want you to go to Google and type in the search bar Mozilla Firefox. Yes, that other browser, not Google Chrome, but Mozilla Firefox. And then I want you to install this web browser at their website at mozilla.org and click on the download Firefox button right here. Don't worry guys, Firefox is just the same thing as Chrome and Apple Safari since they are both browsers. But for this video, it is very important that you install and use Mozilla Firefox for this, because the method that we will use is exclusive to this browser. Once you have Mozilla Firefox installed, I want you to head on to google.com again, but this time on Firefox, and type in SERPclicks on the search bar. I want you to click on this one right here that says serpclicks.com. And once you've clicked the link, you can see here the SERPclicks homepage. Now how it works is that people actually boost their rankings on search engines using SERPclicks. As said here on their homepage, grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. So these people actually provide real clickers and also provide ranking services. And let's say you are a business owner online and you want to invest some of your money on search engines so that when people search for your type of business, yours will come out on top and will be most likely to attract more customers. Then what I want you to do is scroll down to the bottom of the website and under the account section, make sure to click on the Become a Clicker, since this is what we came here to do. We want to click on links and get some money, and as you can see here, we can earn from 5 cents to 10 cents per click. The minimum payout that they provide is around $5, so that's around 50 clicks. That sounds awesome, right? Next, what I then want you to do is scroll down again until you see Click here to join network button. After doing so, it will bring you to another page where you can start registering for your account. It's free and it works anywhere in the world. You will need your active email address, a password, and your PayPal account. Now, the PayPal account is necessary since this is how they will send you the money that you'll earn from clicking. You will need to install the SERPclix extension for Mozilla Firefox. Again, this does not work for Google Chrome, only on Firefox. Click on SERPclix browser extension now and it will allow you to download the extension. That is what will be earning us money. After that, you will now be able to start earning money. The add-on should install in a matter of seconds. Just a heads up for you guys, once you've accumulated $5, SERPclix will automatically send you money every start of the month. As I mentioned earlier, as of now, SERPclix only processes payment requests with PayPal once a month at the beginning of the month. And if you don't reach the minimum $5 for that month, the balance will carry over to the next month. So it can take a while to access your earnings. All in all, if you're searching for a new way to earn money with websites that require you no prior job experience and minimal effort, SERPclix is the best place to be. Now what are you waiting for? Join SERPclix and click away.
And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.